Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back at you with another awesome video. Now I'm getting ready to show you a recipe regarding using this wonderful herb, this wonderful ingredient that does wonders for our bodies when it comes to weight loss. This is something that's going to change the game in your weight loss journey. And for those of you who are having even more issues with burning fat, with losing that weight, with boosting your metabolism, and you're not seeing a lot of weight loss because you may have extra things going on with your body, well, here is something that's going to help you to get past that sluggish, thyroid issue or those hormonal issues you may be going through in your body. Some of you may be on medication. Some of you, just may have some issues that's hindering your weight loss journey. Well, listen, okay? This is a sponsored video. But not only is it a sponsored video, it's just so weird how I've been using this product and now I'm getting ready to do a tea talks regarding the ingredients that this product is made from. Now, I was given this product by a company and it's called Saffron Extracts. And what saffron does for our bodies and as far as our weight loss is beautiful. Now, I've been taking this product, I would say about a good month now. And this product is supposed to be a natural appetite suppressant. It's supposed to support weight loss, increases your metabolism, enhances your mood, and increases your energy levels. The formula is maximum strength, and it's a dietary supplement of the supplement of saffron. Now, these are the extracts that's from the saffron itself. And it's supposed to be something that you take every day, 20 to 30 minutes before your meal. All right? And so far, honestly, I don't really feel a difference. I'm on so many doggone teas and detoxes that boost your metabolism, that really enhances your mood, gives you energy. As you can see, I feel like I'm bouncing all over the place. But this, I really can't say that it has worked for me. I do not knock the product because I really don't know if it's the saffron in the product that's giving me all these extra energies or just my natural eating, which does the same for you if you take care of yourself and you eat right. But saffron is a wonderful aid, a wonderful supplement to put into your weight loss regimen in your arsenal because it helps to enhance your mood. It helps to give you that energy level, that all of that. Well, let me show you another form of saffron, and this is inside of your actual ingredients. Okay, this is something that you can drink. This is something that you can actually put inside your teas and your smoothies, which is what you're going to see in another video. Now, this saffron is the string form saffron. Okay, it looks like that, like a bunch of little threads just mixed up and mangled up together. And I tell you, this is a powerful aid and will definitely take your weight loss journey to another level. With this saffron, the stringy saffron, which I bought this in my local Pakistani store, and I plan on having a link down below for those of you who want to get this herb. This, you only take 5, 6, or 7 strands, which is very small because it's that powerful. You only use that little bit of saffron daily. You can actually blend this, mix this, steep this, and drink it 60 minutes before your meals. Okay? Because what this saffron does, it suppresses your appetite from overeating. It kind of controls you from going overboard with the overeating. Now, I wrote down some key points. It's going to curb your appetite. And when it does that, that means it's reducing all of those extra cravings that you would probably get throughout the day. Now, as tiny as it is, it's a powerful antioxidant. It's going to improve your mood and treat depressive symptoms. So for some of you who may be depressed, going through some depression, being that this stimulates your mood, it's going to lift you in your depressive symptoms. So saffron is one of the wonderful ingredients naturally that's going to relieve you from depressive symptoms. Now, it also has cancer-fighting agents properties. It's full with antioxidants, so it's going to help to fight cancer. Now, for those of you ladies who are going through your menstrual cycles, you go through those PMS symptoms every month, this is going to help you and reduce those PMS symptoms. Let me not even go there, okay? Saffron helps you with your PMS symptoms. Now, another wonderful blessing of saffron is it acts as an aphrodisiac. Yes, so it's going to stimulate you and help to enhance those, those feelings, okay? Puts you in the mood feelings, okay? So if you drink this and get it in your system, it's going to act like an aphrodisiac and kind of like make you feel some sort of way. Another wonderful blessing from saffron is that it also reduces your blood sugar levels. So for those of you who are diabetic, maybe on that medication, saffron is wonderful for that. But before even doing or trying saffron, in any type of weight loss journey, you should always check with your doctor first to make sure that it's not going to counter-react to your medication. But saffron is going to help to lower your blood sugar levels. For those of us who are of a certain age, once you reach a certain age, the first thing that goes is your eyesight, all right? Well, saffron, it's also going to improve the eyesight in adults with related macular degenerations going on. So if your eyes are failing a little bit, you feel like you're having issues seeing and you want to strengthen those muscles, drink your saffron. And for those people who may be having some memory issues, Alzheimer's disease trying to develop, this is going to help to improve your memory, okay? So for those of you who are suffering from Alzheimer's, drink saffron. Saffron does so much for your body, and on top of all that it does and all that it's wonderful for when it's dealing with your health, it's great for weight loss. That's the major reason why I'm introducing it to you guys today. I'm going to list the link down for the extract as to where you can probably find it. I would probably check online on Amazon. I'm going to put the links down below. Like I said, I was given offered to do this video to introduce this product when it came to natural saffron extracts. But at the same time, if you buy the herb itself, you don't have to go with all of the extra stuff that's built up in this, that's extracted from this, okay? Everything in this bottle, and I'm not putting down the company, I'm doing a very honest review on the product. Now, everything that's been extracted from this herb is in the capsule, and I don't know what other else might be in the capsule regarding saffron, or how much of the saffron levels are in here versus other things. But if you want to know what you're drinking, if you want to know exactly how much is in it, you can do it yourself by using this in your smoothies, in your teas, in your drinks, and it's going to do the same thing. Okay, 5 to 6 strands of this in your drinks. It's going to help curb your appetite. It's going to reduce those craving levels. It's going to stimulate your brain. Okay, it's going to stimulate your body.
It's going to have you feeling some sort of way.
Okay, act as an aphrodisiac. It does so many wonderful things. It helps strengthen your brain muscle, your memories, okay? Alzheimer's, if you're suffering from that, it does so much. But listen, y'all, whichever in a capsule form or the natural herb form, my recommendations to you is to get some saffron in your life, okay? And whichever way form is easiest for you, go with that. But as always, you know your girl is going to promote more natural things. I'm going to bring to you whatever is natural because you know what's in there versus us not knowing anything that's going on in these capsules and these pharmaceutical type of herbs and stuff. But try it, okay? Try it. I'm going to list the link down below where you can find this. It's made from Max Fit Company. And I'm also going to list down below the links where you can actually purchase your own saffron. Eventually, I may start even selling this. So if you really want to have access to saffron and other types of spices and herbs, let me know, because I could open a merch store specifically for those people who really want to get some of these things that you can't just find anywhere, but I'm showing you on my channel and I have access to it that I can get it to you. So let me know if that works for you as well. But saffron is a wonderful herb to put into your drinks. I'm going to show you in another video how you can make this wonderful drink and drink it every day. 2 times a day, 3 times a day, an hour before your meals. It's going to help curb your appetite. Also, if you want a hack, if you want a tip, if you want some tea on how you can control your appetite during these holiday dinners and office parties and you know what I mean, I'm going to brew a drink that you can drink an hour before you leave the house. And this way you can enjoy your meals with your friends and family, but you won't overdo it. All right? So I'm going to show you some things. Add in some saffron. Okay? Add in some saffron. So look out for that video where I'm going to be making this wonderful concoction using 2 ingredients, really 3, water. Okay? And you're going to have a wonderful, powerful drink that's going to control your eating, which is where I think maybe a lot of you might be having your issues in that area. You're not knowing what to eat, what to put together. You're not eliminating certain foods that is still causing your body to build and gain that weight. I mean, this is going to help you, okay? So yes, you guys, your girl is on it. I got some things coming. I got more coming for you. Stay tuned. It's coming. It's coming. All right? Your favorite auntie, your favorite big sis, I'm here. All right? So I got more coming for you. Stay tuned. Look out for more wonderful videos on weight loss, on beneficial things that's going to help boost your body, help boost your metabolism, get you going, get your body revved up. By the summer of 2020, you're going to be snatched. Okay? Snatched. So stay tuned for those videos and stay tuned. Subscribe down below. Don't forget, before leaving this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And when you turn that bell on, make sure you select it to all. Okay? Because this way you won't miss any more of these types of videos since you found me. Alright? Also, if you want to see some other behind the scene fun type of topic videos, go over to my other channel, which is Velvet Vlogs. Boop, it should be popping up. And this way you will get all sorts of wonderful videos, whether it's hair care, skin care, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. You get a whole other side of Velvet Locks on that channel. Alright? So join me on both. Subscribe to both. Hit that notification to both, and you will be locked in on everything that's going on in this channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where you'll also get some other things that I'm doing. Lots going on in my life, all right? A lot of things is getting ready to take place, so come and join me on my journey. All right? So until the next video, you guys, don't forget, I love you. And I'll see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there. bye.